Hey guys, hope you're doing well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to learn how to change your country or region on an iPhone. So if you purchase an iPhone and you're in a country where you're not getting all the applications that you want to install, that's probably one of the reasons why you would want to change your country or region. In my case, I'm trying to download Amazon Alexa, but I'm not able to download Amazon Alexa because that is not available in my country. And for that, I need to change the country or region. So in order to change country or region, first thing you need to do is open up your App Store. After you have App Store opened up, on the top right corner, you're going to see your profile picture. So click on your profile picture. After you've clicked on the profile picture, now you need to click on your profile picture where it says your name again and your email address. After you've clicked on it, it's going to take you to this next screen where you're going to see country or region option on your screen, which is the third option on my screen in my case. So I'm going to click country or region. After you tap country or region, it's going to take you to the next screen, and it's giving you an option to change country or region on this screen. Now it's also giving you a description on top. So it says that to change the country or region associated with this account, tap change country or region below, select the desired country or region, then accept the new terms and conditions. And also please note that you need a valid method of payment for the new country or region. Also very important to note that changing your country or region will cancel any automatically renewing subscriptions that you may have. Once you have read it, click acknowledge. Sorry, I've chosen a wrong country, so I'm going to choose United States in my case. So let me go ahead and quickly choose United States. So I've clicked United States, and on this next screen, it's going to give us another disclaimer, and it's going to show us the terms and conditions. Now you can go through these terms and conditions. Once you have read and acknowledged these, you need to click agree. That button is on the top right corner. So click agree, and then it gives you another terms and conditions and says that I have read and agreed to the Apple terms and conditions. Once you are okay with them, click agree. And as I said, that it's going to do a couple of things. One, it's going to cancel any existing subscriptions. Now it's asking us to add a Visa or MasterCard. I'm going to select none. And then it's asking for your first and last name, then your billing address, your zip code, your state, and then lastly your phone number. Now you can choose not to add or add any details if you want to here. So I'm going to quickly fill in this information. Once you've added this information, as you guys can see that it has already changed my country or location. Now just to show you guys, if I go ahead and search for Alexa, it's going to show up in the list of applications. So as you guys can see that I've got Amazon Alexa. So that's how you change your country region on Apple devices. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.